Welcome back, guys. If you are new to my channel, my name is SJ and welcome. And if you want to see more motorcycle related content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Oh, I f***ed up, didn't I? Yes, I did. Damn, I hate that.
The describe button, you call it?
The describe.
Ah, just roll with it.
It's the describe button.
Yeah, hit the describe button.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the, oh God, I can't even, I'm messing this up. All right, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you're notified when I upload a new video. I totally blew that. Oh my God. My brain's gone. Oh my goodness. It's... oh, it's crazy. Eat red light. Today. Oh, I see moo-moosh.
So, matey, today.
Moo-moosh.
Well, moo-moo your ass.
So babe, I got a question for you.
What?
Does motorcycling make you a better automobile driver?
Yes, it does.
And how does it make you a better automobile driver?
Well, when you're driving a car, even though, statistics show that cars kill a lot of people, you get lulled in a false sense of security. And, you're not too much worried about a fender bender or anything like that. I mean, you are, but you aren't. It's not a life and death thing. Put it that way. Where when you start riding a motorcycle, it doesn't take you long to realize that any type of incident can quickly be a life and death thing, or a life-altering injury. So now, when you realize that, you start looking at things from all angles. You start watching your speed. You start learning how to predict what people are going to do that are around you. You develop what I call a sixth sense. And because you have to, when you come to terms with anything that goes wrong while you're going down the road, anything, it could be life-altering.
Yeah, and you notice it when you ride. I mean, when I'm in the car, I notice, like, when I'm going around a curve, I'm actually looking through the curve as if I was on the bike.
Yeah, or you see that person sitting on the side of the road waiting to pull out in front of you. You really start looking that person over and looking at his wheels to see if the tires are turning and they're starting to turn, starting to roll. You become able to predict what someone's going to do before they put a turn signal on. It's...
Yeah, I mean, I do. I find myself just driving so much more what would it be, defensive?
Yeah, defensively.
Yeah, I find myself doing that because of the fact of being a motorcycle rider. I like you said, I watch the wheels of... Oh, seriously, dude, come on.
He's just giving you plenty of warning because he doesn't want you running into the back of him.
Well, that's fine. Did he have to slow down?
Yeah, well, I mean, it was a safe, right? It was all safe.
Yeah.
He was looking out for you.
Anyway.
The woman probably rides bikes.
So, I do. I just find myself more defensive in my driving and more attentive. It's like amazing that things that I've never paid attention to before I started riding motorcycles that now when I'm in a car, I do. I would normally not wait. Like here we are, we're at a light. This light's turning yellow. It's now red. We're turning green. And normally in a car, you just go. Now I watch. I look for that red light runner. And that's something I wouldn't have done before, believe it or not, in a car. Same thing with side streets. Like you said, babe, I find that I watch that car. I'm not so much looking for eye contact as I am watching the wheels.
Yep.
when you don't ride a motorcycle and you drive a car, you look for eye contact. And really, you should be looking for what are their wheels doing besides the eye contact. I mean, look for the eye contact, but pay attention to those wheels.
Eye contact, I'm finding out, is a good indication, but it's worked poorly for me enough times where I don't even count on it now.
No. And even when I'm in a car, I'm looking at the wheels.
That's it.
I'm not even looking to see if they're looking at me. I'm looking at those wheels. And I'm ready. Like on a bike, when you're coming up and you guys, you know this, you got a side street like here and you see a car and you're not quite sure. Next thing you know, fingers go up, 2 fingers on the brake, fingers go up on the clutch, ready to jam on the brakes in case as you're watching. I find I do that in the car now. That when I see them and their tires start to move, my foot's off the gas and ready to hit the brake. It's so weird how it translates over.
Yep. And another thing you learn on a motorcycle, and you can take it to a car. If someone is in the process of pulling out in front of you, you can lay on the horn in a car and on a bike. You can rev bomb on a bike. You can do it whatever you want. But 9 times out of 10, they're not going to stop. They're going to keep doing whatever it was that they're doing. If they're pulling out in front of you, making a left-hand turn in front, no matter what it is, don't waste valuable time in a car and on a bike. You're not going to change their mind. For some reason or another, they're blocked. They don't see you. A horn blowing from out of nowhere means nothing. Rev bomb out of nowhere. And most of the time, they keep doing it. And it's the same thing with a car. That nobody starts out to kill anybody every time they get behind the wheel of a car. No one does that I know of. But accidents happen, and it happens because someone miscalculated, they didn't see you, or whatever. But yeah, you really bring that home to automobile driving when you realize that when people are getting ready to do something that's going to cause you to have an accident if you stay on your current trajectory or current path, blowing the horn is a complete flipping waste of time. Get on them damn brakes, and if you can, look for an out. Over.
Oh, yeah, exactly. So, what do you guys think? Do you guys think that since riding a motorcycle, it has made you a better driver behind the wheel of a car? Let us know down in the comments. I think it has. Hubby thinks it has.
Oh, absolutely.
So what do you guys think? Let us know.
Watch this guy pulling.
I see him. So, all right, guys. We're going to continue our journey here. Oh, a little trouble there on the bicycle. We're going to continue on our journey.
I didn't see him.
I was watching him. He's all like, whoa. I think he had a fishing pole.
Oh, he was coming across the road in front of you.
Oh, well, he had a fishing pole in his hand. Oh, low tide.
Damn,
that's a low tide.
Whoa, there's a blowout
tide.
That
is low.
Holy cow.
Anyway, guys, we're having squirrel moments.
Squirrel.
So, again, let us know down in the comments. And until next time, you guys know the deal. Ride safe.
Yeah, ride safe. Like us.
See ya.
We're allowed to get stupid every once in a while.
Oh, I think everybody's stupid once in a while. I mean, there's a time to be adult and there's a time to be a kid.
No, there's no time to be stupid. It's just...
It's having fun.
If you love motorcycles, it just eats at you not being stupid,
I'm not stupid.
Come on, I want to be stupid. I want to be stupid. No, don't do that. No. And sooner or later, stupid wins.
It's that inner child fight.
Yeah, well, sooner or later, stupid wins. And then, yeah. I mean, it's fun for stupid to win every once in a while. But stupid can get you hurt.